Okay, so you put all three parts together with the patch plates. When your wall, this will help you too, is before you go put it in, put your access panel spacer here, put the 3M foam here, put your access panel in with the lock assembly. The magnet goes center of the top. This is so your cam lever uses it as a strike plate, so it takes up the gap. Okay? So when you have your wall and you want to slide it in from the tailgate up against the seat hoop, you'll take your floor bracket, which will go around and stand up, and you'll be able to put it in this hole for the center wall panel. That other hole corresponds with the bottom of the wing wall. And you end up doing that on both sides, where it'll fit just like that, and just like that. So put them in loosely till you get it completely in, or there it lines up, till it gets completely in, okay? And that will finish that off. And since I've got you here, the round rubber seal you can peel and stick to the top here or to the forward end of the folding top. It'll take up the gap that's 3/16 of an inch thick between the folding top and the wall. So when it's sitting up, that rubber seal goes across here. Any other questions? Give me a call.